top 10 radar. Yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, we on your radar. Yeah,
Ay,
we on your
look, top floor lifestyle, chef and boy, I'm cooking up. Way too high, ain't coming down. You see me if you looking up. I don't really talk too much, I show them run the numbers up. Lucky that I'm showing up, I'm going off, they know what's up. Wrist too silly, yeah. Numbers crack the Billy. Yeah, don't need no deal.
Okay guys, big day. We've got the GDR quarter guards out, and that's where they're going over there. I don't know if you can see at home there. Yeah, there's a big step out with that guard, and that's going to go over there. Pulling out all the trim. When you're changing that quarter guard, you gotta pull out all the trim and all the windows and seats and everything.
1 hour later.
Alright, now we're taking all the interior out, because if you want to get in here and cut this quarter panel off, you need glass out, you need this off, you need all this off, striker off, everything needs to come off, even this side skirt needs to come off. I'm ready to start pulling the glass out. Everything's off. Ready to go. All right. Before, after. And then you can see the difference in the width of the guard. Yeah. GTT, GTR. We're getting in there. What are you hiding from? Alright, as we come out in the guards, we're going to put some spacers on. You can have that, or that.
Phone started jumping, what a day. swear to God I need it now, I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen him down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers.
Alright, so you need to expose all the spot welds so we can drill them out.
It's one time when I'm looking at a face.
Up there, down the pillar.
Pushing up the base. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place.
So there's all spot welds in behind there. Come down there, grind off all the paint so we can expose the spot welds. Like in under here. Cutting, grinding, cutting, grinding.
For the wait, I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Lefty. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
There it is.
Don't touch me.
So while it's off, let's clean all that up. Make it back like new.
Don't touch me. 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 Don't touch me.
Making the two parts together, punch holes, and the quickest way to do it.
Yeah, I'm in your town, I'm coming your way, just wait up. Me and my team ain't taking no L's, I told them you don't wanna play us. We going downtown with a flight in the morning, said fuck it, I'm just gonna stay up. Remember last year, I told them the price, and now they all wanna pay up. They hit me now, they coming too late, all I reply is just save up. Me and my guys, we did it ourselves, so no one can say that they made us. They gave me the shit, they trying to guard me, I told them you gotta go straight up. We eating for days, I've been in the gym, I swear that I'm getting my weight up, yeah. Oh, I seen it all, you avert. Hop up in a whip, watch your skirt. I might risk it all for you first. Meet me in the night, shit get worse. I told them all I'm getting it back. I said that I'm coming, I meant it. I'm writing my name all in the stone, I swear that it's getting cemented. I seen the stones, I heard them on top, but I never know who done said it. Go to the bank, withdraw the cash, and I told all my brothers to bet it. All on myself, ayy, I told them we getting it back. Remember the days when we was in school, they would just sit back and laugh. I'm thanking God for all of those times, cause now I know what I have. I'm on the track and I feel like it's and I'm turning it up to the max. Yeah. Oh, I seen it all, you avert. Hop up in a whip, watch your skirt. I might risk it all for you first. Meet me in the night, shit get worse.